Everyone, welcome back to Infinity Guides. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable keyboard sound on an Android phone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open any chat app where you can type something, like WhatsApp or Messages. Now, open the keyboard on your screen. Next, tap on the four dots icon on the keyboard. From here, tap on Settings. Now, select the Preferences option. Scroll down a little and you'll find the Sound on Key Press option. Simply turn the toggle on. That's it. Your keyboard sound has been successfully activated. Now, go back to the chat and start typing. You'll hear the keyboard typing sound as you press the keys. That's all for today's video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Infinity Guides for more easy and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.